Okie dokie. Welcome back. Let's finish this soup up, shall we? Hello again. Okay, so it's been cooking actually for about almost an hour. I let it go a little longer, but that's just me. You really don't need to cook it quite that long, but this will work out just fine. So, what I'm doing now is kind of the final step of what we want to do here. We're going to add sour cream. Now you can add sour cream, you can use yogurt, Greek yogurt, anything like that. Obviously, if you're going to use a low-fat version, you want to temper it a little bit. So you actually take some of the soup and you mix it into the creaminess. And then you add it back into the soup. That way, this happens a lot more often with low fats. They have a tendency to curdle and like split and curdle, and you don't want that to happen. So instead, I actually am just using regular, but that's okay. I'm fine with it. So we're getting ourselves a nice couple big dollops of cream, because who doesn't like a bit of cream? What this does, it makes it into more of a creamy soup. Stir it the rest of the way with the spoon. All right, yeah, this looks great. So, what I'm going to do is we're going to do a little bowl. Let's get ourselves something for the soup. Bit of cheese, because we all like cheese. There we go. We can easy camp bean soup. Alrighty, everybody. Just gonna get a little stir. There you go. Look at that. And of course, as always, thanks again for being here. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing y'all again soon. And as we always say here, of course, in the Gamma Forest, in Greenie's Camper. The immortal words of Bill S. Preston Esquire and Ted Theodore Logan. Be excellent to each other. See y'all soon.